Good day. Certainly don't want to take up too much of your time, but I wanted to talk about notifications, which is a great tool in Canvas, and hopefully you'll use it. Notifications allow you to be notified for actions that have taken place in the course or will take place very shortly. It's almost like reminders that you can get. I use them extensively because they help me keep track of both actions I have to take, but also some of the actions that you've taken. So to view and change your notifications, please click on the Account tab in the upper right-hand corner of your screen in Canvas, and thereafter click Notifications. Once you click Notifications, you'll see a long list of potential notifications that you can choose. I would suggest you schedule the following notifications on a daily basis. At the very top of that screen, you'll see that there's 4 ways in which you can have these notifications sent. Immediately, which is usually about an hour, you can have them sent daily, weekly, or not at all. So you could just click one of those buttons to the right, depending on how often you would like to receive these notifications. I have all mine sent on a daily basis, so I just get 1 email, because potentially you can get quite a few in the day. I would suggest you click on Announcements to get as part of your daily summary, so you'll be aware anytime I post an announcement. Grading, so that you can determine when I've graded one of your assignments. Files, in case I've included any files for you to look at. An invitation to an upcoming web meeting, so invitation is good. Discussion post, yes or no, I have it, so that I can see which students are posting. Some of you may not need to be aware of when your fellow student posts, but some do. And lastly, recording ready, so that you're aware once we have any recordings, you'll be notified that it's actually posted for you to view. If you've missed any of this, of course, I've posted it in the written format as well, along with this video. But as always, just contact me if there's anything at all that I can do. It's been a pleasure to know everybody so far. Don't hesitate to reach out anytime. Thank you.